Hi there, and welcome to my course on how to build interactive dashboards using Google Data Studio. My name is Annabelle, and I have over 5 years of experience as a data analyst within marketing and product teams. I have also mentored and taught individuals how to get the most out of a range of data visualization tools to ensure that they have the greatest impact. In my role, Data Studio has allowed me to speed up time to insight when analyzing data and help businesses reach decisions faster. It has become an invaluable part of my toolset as an analyst, and I look forward to teaching you how it can transform your role and business by creating interactive dashboards and data visualizations. In this course, you are going to learn how to create, edit, and share dashboards within minutes that will allow you to uncover insight from data to better support business decisions. This is a hands-on course, and you'll get the most out of it by following along with the walkthrough. At the end, you'll have created 4 dashboards that you can then use as examples and templates in the future. You'll cover 6 key topics, which I will go over in the next slide, that will ensure you have a deep understanding of Data Studio and feel confident to use it for your own projects. You'll also learn about dashboard best practices to ensure the dashboards you create are easy to read for the people you share them with. Here are the key topics that you will learn. The first is connecting data sources. Here you will learn how to power reports with the underlying data that you have available, which might be from Google Analytics, Google Sheets, Excel, or a range of other sources. Secondly, you'll learn how to create and share reports so that others can interact with your creations. Thirdly, you'll learn about data visualizations, for example, time series and area charts. You'll cover all of the key visualizations that Data Studio supports and how to add and customize them in your reports. You'll also learn how to add in comparisons, for example, how to show week-on-week or year-on-year changes. Next will be filters, which will make your reports dynamic and interactive so that your users can filter reports themselves. And finally, you'll cover advanced visualizations such as scatter graphs and maps to add even more context to your dashboards. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently create impactful dashboards for a range of data sources, including Google Analytics and Google Sheets, to tell stories from your data and increase your productivity. I'm excited for you to get started, so let's begin.